For many years, the precision metalworking industry has experienced a significant skilled labor shortage, which has resulted in a decline in production capacity and created barriers to technology adoption, because companies can't find enough workers with the skills needed to make the most of new and emerging technologies. The CTMA has been working hard to help build a talent pipeline by exposing high school students to all the rewarding careers available to them within our industry. We have been purchasing new, high-tech equipment for high schools throughout Ontario, which is helping students develop hands-on skills and enabling them to start a career immediately after graduation.
We needed to bring high-tech new equipment into the classroom so that our students can actually work on the machines that are out there in our industry today. We're installing a variety of machines, some CNC milling machines, CNC lathes, CNC plasma cutters, CNC desktop machines, as well as manual lathes, manual mills with readouts that actually work. We have now installed new equipment in 137 high schools throughout the province of Ontario. We could not be doing this without our program partner, OCTE. That's the Ontario Council of Technology Education. Having a partner that is entrenched in the education system was a key component to the success of our Career Ready program.
We've seen students more engaged in what they're doing and interested in the career when they leave high school. We see parents engaged because they see future and hope for their child. We see industry seeing the amazing things that we can do in high school when we work together. The whole concept is we're adding real life learning to what they're doing in school so they can make those career decisions and be innovative and creative as they're learning. So when they leave, they have real life experience.
When students see all the new technology, right away the kids are gravitated towards this shop. Our numbers have grown substantially over the last 3 years because of the CTMA program. We can help prepare our students for industry specifics, especially with the CNC machines. Students will get a basic knowledge and then they can apply that knowledge out on their OYAP placement.
We can't, as educators, get this funding. It's outside companies like the CTMA and OCTE that provide an opportunity for our students and for us as educators to upgrade equipment. So it's hugely beneficial.
The equipment that CTMA have provided for our program has really helped support our education to allow us to do more and create more and just support our growing minds.
This is a part for the robot for our robotics team. Creating this type of piece wouldn't be possible without the machinery provided by the CTMA because there's so much intricate details here that you couldn't manage with a manual mill.
I like to be more of hands-on person, so I like activities. It's just an amazing class to be in. You're free. If you don't know, you can always ask someone who has taken this course. You know, we're always here to help and make sure you're doing it proper and safe.
I think this is going to be an amazing thing for our country and for our province to make sure that we are going to be competitive in an industry that we should never have let slip away in the past.